Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your payment with Stripe, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin verifying your payment with Stripe, start by logging into your Stripe account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Payments tab in the left sidebar and click on it. This will display a list of all your recent transactions. Locate the payment you want to verify. Click on the payment to see more details. Check the payment status, which should indicate if it is successful, pending, or failed. To ensure the payment is successfully completed, look for a green checkmark or the word succeeded. If the payment is pending, it may take some time to process. You can also review the payment amount and the transaction date. If you need more detailed information, scroll down to find additional payment details. This section will provide transaction fees, customer information, and more. If you see a failed payment, review the failure reason listed. Common issues include insufficient funds or incorrect card details. If everything appears correct, take note of the customer ID and payment ID for future reference. You can also reach out to support if you encounter any issues that need clarification. Once you have confirmed all details, you are now done with the payment verification process. Be sure to check your email for any notifications related to the payment as well. You can always return to the dashboard for updates on other transactions whenever needed. That's how you verify your payment with Stripe efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.